Spencer, will you go down the slide so I can get you on tape?
Come here, Spencer.
You want to go down the slide? Papa's got some water up there.
I got something to fix you up, buddy.
Why don't you go down the slide?
There he goes.
Oh, here he goes.
Here comes.
Here comes Liza too.
I got something to fix her up.
Where's Hayden?
Oh, he went into poo-poo a while ago. I guess I need to go. I forget.
Where's Greg?
He's probably still in there. You know, he's in there talking to Clint and Ashley.
Right there.
In the AC. He's enjoying somebody else's AC.
Get
Keeping
ready.
it 83 in our house.
No, that ain't no. We was
Hot at night, ain't it?
Oh, yeah.
You going, Liza?
I thought he was cold, mate. I thought he
In
liked
winter,
Go ahead.
I thought he
Get in
liked
there,
it
and then I'll put the water.
it cold, though.
he likes it cold in winter. In summer, he likes it hot. Good landing again. Woo! Oh! Flat. Oh!
What happened?
Stick your toe out here. Let me see. This one.
Yes.
This
No, the little one.
The little one.
Oh! Whoa! That was made a lot of noise.
You want to swing with Spencer? You want me to push you, Spencer?
What happened there? That was fun.
That was fun. That sounded like fun.
No. Don't stand up. Don't stand up. No, honey.
You ready?
Whoa!
Spencer, that's what you do. You lay back. If you lay back, you come down fast. Well, I don't think you meant to come down there.
Father's Day 2009.
You
You landed on your feet!
Water boy.
See how he draws his legs back under? Draw your legs
Yeah,
then put them back out when you go up.
been quite entertaining.
They've had a lot of fun on that thing today. That way you can
Who's coming down now? Oh! Cooper feet first. On his belly. You hear Sloan squealing the whole way down, cackling.
You're going after more water.
I'm kind of
Going crooked. Now you straight up.
No, I don't want that. I don't want to sleep anymore.
Don't walk in front of